to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. It is Monday, March 29th, and I want to talk about Healthier Choices Management, ticker symbol HCMC, currently sitting at 0.0012 at the time of this video. Down 4% on the day, but volume, you guys, 3.7 billion trades of HCMC today already. So a lot of people are taking a look at this stock, which a lot of people have been over the past 2 months. But just wanted to talk about two things that came out over the weekend and today that I believe to be both positive for HCMC stock. And they actually don't specifically have to do with the lawsuit infringement patent case against Philip Morris. So let's just get right into it. Healthier Choices, you guys, if you aren't familiar, HCMC, publicly traded company. They own intellectual property suite called, comprised of their patents issued in both United States and Canada. And these patents are focused on safer vaping technology, as well as synthetic or imitation nicotine compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. They also have a subsidiary, HCMC Intellectual Property Holdings, to hold and market its intellectual property assets. And then they have subsidiaries, Healthy Choices Markets, and Healthy Choice Markets 2. And HCMC also owns Ada's Natural Market, an 18,000 square foot grocery store in Florida, as well as 3 other Paradise Health and Nutrition grocery stores in Florida as well. And a lot of people were interested in this stock initially. A lot of people are talking about this stock because of the patent infringement lawsuit with Philip Morris. As you can see here, that was filed on November 30th. And a lot of people, taking a look at this stock thinking that they want to get into this stock because if they win this patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris, the stock will go up, and it's rightfully so. I believe HCMC is a long-term hold here, and I've said in previous videos that I do believe HCMC will win this infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris, either via a settlement or if it does go to trial, they'll actually win the lawsuit in the court. So, but the two things I wanted to talk about today don't really have to do with the lawsuit. Just want to let you guys know that I do believe they will still win the lawsuit. Nothing changed there, and I believe this is a long-term hold, okay? But the two things I want to talk about today, first and foremost, is that Healthier Choices announced this morning actually, the relaunching of its vitamins and supplements online store, thevitaminstore.com. And as you can see here by this article, Healthier Choices Management Corp today announced the relaunching of its vitamin and supplements online store, thevitaminstore.com. This online store was originally purchased as a part of the acquisition of HCMC's 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition branded stores in Melbourne, Florida. HCMC will be offering select national brands, and for the first time online, Ada's high-quality brand of vitamins and supplements, previously only sold in Ada's Natural Market, the company's organic grocery store located in Florida. And the CEO, Jeff Holman, who, if you guys are familiar with HCMC, you're probably familiar with their CEO. He does speak a lot about HCMC. He says management has recognized and is grateful for both the national attention that HCMC has received over the last several months, and his very vocal support of its shareholder base, which is now over 306,000 shareholders strong. This has provided the company with the perfect opportunity for a relaunch of HCMC's thevitaminstore.com, as well as an opportunity to offer our Ada's brand of high-quality volumes and supplements to a national audience. And what I really like is that Holman says here, our shareholders have repeatedly expressed their desire to support their investment in HCMC directly by also becoming customers. With our sizable shareholder base as a potential new, highly motivated and incentivized customers, we are extremely encouraged by the growth potential from this online store. So if you take a look at the online store, it looks pretty cool. I think they did a pretty good job with the website. Somewhat concerned about their actual website because a lot of people don't think it's very strong, but I think this is a pretty good website, pretty fluid, and definitely a lot of good things can come from this. I think this is a pretty big deal. I think investors, shareholders should be excited about this. Just another way for them to generate revenue, and definitely a step in the positive direction. I mean, this is something that I think a lot of people thought they were going to do if they won the lawsuit and if they did receive ample amount of money from Philip Morris, but they did this already before, and I really like the direction they're heading here. Great website, and again, just another way for them to create revenue and show the shareholders that they're not messing around. So you can see here, HCMC's The Vitamin Store, definitely very positive news here. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk about regarding HCMC is that they filed a Form 8K form, right? March 29th, data report, which is today, March 29th, right? Healthy Choices Management Corp, indicated by a check mark whether the restaurant is an emerging growth company as defined, emerging growth company, question mark, So basically, a Form 8K form, or Form 8K, is, why would a company file, is SEC is a filing that companies make to announce major events that the shareholders should know about. Generally speaking, a Form 8K is filed with the SEC by a publicly traded company when an unscheduled material event takes place. Some of these situations in which a company could file an 8K include bankruptcy, a departure of a key executive, notice of a delisting, change in accountant, or announcement of a new deal. So they did file this today, you guys. So something is on the horizon in regards to healthier choices management. Not sure. I mean, it could be just an announcement of the vitamin store. Maybe correlates. Chances are that's probably what it is. But people on Reddit are discussing it being something else, another possible deal on the horizon. Maybe definitely not a bankruptcy or definitely not a departure of a key executive, but it could be a new deal, something else that's going on behind the scenes in regards to HCMC that has nothing to do with the patent infringement lawsuit. So definitely something interesting, you guys. Again, this was filed today, March 29th. Healthy Choices Management Corp filed a Form 8K. So definitely something interesting, you guys. We'll see what happens. Just wanted to update you guys on this. Pretty interesting stuff. They announced the relaunching of the vitamin store. That's actually live. You can go and purchase these vitamins if you are a shareholder in HCMC and you want to, support, I guess, your investment. This is available for purchase. Again, I'm not sponsored or anything, have no affiliation with HCMC, just relaying this information. And then also the Form 8K form. Announcement of a new deal is a possible, reasoning for this filing. So we'll see. Just want to let you guys know about this. HCMC is currently sitting at 0.0012. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about these two announcements. As always, have a great day.